I said to my niece, Taylor, well, you can be president of the United States one day. And she said, no, I can't. I said, why? She said, well, because there are no women presidents. I said, how do you know that? She said, because there aren't any pictures of women presidents in my classroom. I think it's important not to get discouraged. So you go out and you cast a vote, and let's say that I really wanted to see the first woman president elected, and I did everything I could, and she didn't get the nomination. That doesn't mean that next time a woman can't get there. You have to keep voting and keep pushing and keep trying, and so your votes build upon themselves. So by the time it happens, all of us are saying, it's about time. Good, then we did not have a government forcing itself on us. We forced ourselves on our government. And I think that that's a healthy way for us to look at our democracy. You have to be willing to stick in the game and keep voting and keep registering your point of view longer than just 1 or 2 votes. I'm Lisa Lavallo, and I vote.